Want album art on your Android lock screen? Here's a quick 60-second fix. Step 1. Open Spotify and play the song whose cover you want to show. Step 2. Go into your Android settings, then Apps, find Spotify, and tap Notifications. On Android 12 and newer, tap Lock Screen under Notifications and enable Show on Lock Screen. On older Android, open Notifications, then when device is locked and choose Show All Notification Content. Also ensure Spotify notifications are allowed and not silenced. Toggle Allow Notifications on. Back in Spotify, start playback so the media notification appears with album art. Lock your phone. On Android 12 Plus you should see the full album cover in the media controls. If you still don't see it, clear Spotify's cache or restart the phone, then recheck notification settings. For Samsung and some OEMs, also check settings, then lock screen, then notifications, and enable show content. If you want canvas visuals, enable canvas in Spotify's playback settings, but album art itself relies on system notifications. That's it, album art on your lock screen. Subscribe for more quick Android tips.